Well, I'm here to see the work that's taking place to get the Conwy Valley Line back up and running, and in particular to make sure that services are restored in good time for this summer's Eisteddfod. People need to be able to have confidence in transport systems that they often rely on day in, day out, and also visitors need to have the confidence of knowing that when they reach a destination they're going to be able to get on with transport that is reliable, that is operating on time, and so rail services are vitally important. And the damage that was caused to this particular line was unprecedented. It was caused by Storm Gareth, which was an immense challenge for the team that immediately responded and are putting a huge amount of energy and resource into completing the work in time for the summer's Eisteddfod. Everybody is working tirelessly to make sure that the work is completed in good time. We all want it to happen as soon as possible, completion, and I've got every confidence in the team that are doing this.